Danny Jack's Cook with the Blues here. So had some leftover roasted chicken, and one of my old favorites down in Texas, King Ranch chicken. And story legend has it, King Ranch over 1,000 square miles, King Ranch. And you know, the ranch hands, they have a cook, you know, for the ranch hands have big meals. So this is was developed on the King Ranch. So the real recipe calls to layer like raw tortillas. You know, to me they're raw because they're not cooked, not browned up. I like to use the tortilla chips. You know what? That's what I love right there. To make quality control. Yep. So look. Let's crack them up in there. Steve, did you get any green onions? Right now. Yeah, because man, if any recipe called for it, just pass me a bunch. So, what we want to do, you have to look at our turkey gravy recipe. What we want to do is make it plenty of gravy. Plenty of gravy. And we want to wilt down those tortillas. Okay? That's what we want to do. That's the flavor. See how they're already wilting down? Woo-wee! I think we need a little bit more tortillas. Doritos, rather. Hey, you know, if it's good enough for Taco Bell, good enough for us right here. Right, Ben? Taco Bueno. So, anyway, Lakeisha went to the store. I love this salsa. You know, but I like the red salsas. To me, it's the best. And you know, the ingredients you can make your own. This is a quick one, home recipe. Utilize, but it's got tomatillos, onions, chili peppers, salt, iodized salt. So, but you can use red salsa, and really the way to do it is some real nice Hatch green chilies or some other good green chilies. That is delicious. Yeah. Some cheddar cheese. I'm gonna tell you what. Put this in the oven and maybe under the broiler. Jeremy Smyers down there in Texas. My main Jeremy. My main man Jeremy. I know you've eaten some of this. Jeremy Smyers does excellent charcuterie. Makes his own sausages down there. And you ever want to look on his Facebook page. Friend him on Facebook. Tell him Daddy Jack sent you. See? Okay. Let's see a little bit of leftover chicken. Don't let the kids eat all the Doritos. You got something big, but hey Glenn, gonna pop this in the oven. You got a little bit of time?
Got a little bit of time.
So I'll pop one in the oven, and then we'll go have a cocktail or something, and we'll be back in about 10 minutes in the oven.
Yep.
All right, let's check out our King Ranch chicken here, East Coast style. Look at that, man. Huh? Then
Look at that.
I'm gonna glaze it under the broiler real quick. I'm gonna get that bubbling hot. Some of our YouTube what do we call them, fans or viewers? They've been saying that we hadn't been using the green onions. But of all dishes, this one definitely calls for green onions. Okay. This one could burn your face off. But see the tortillas, you know, the raw tortillas. Do a little leftover turkey, chicken, duck, whatever you got. Quail. One thing you need. What else, man?
That looks good right there.
Green.
A little green.
It's a little acidic, you know, to cut the richness. Well, that's the first time I made King Ranch chicken, Glenn. And I tell you guys, it came out pretty good.
Looks fabulous.
Huh?
Looks fabulous.
I hope I did the Lone Star State proud. They made me an honorary Texan when I was down there. It took 18 years. They gave me the certificate and everything.
Everything's bigger in
T-shirt.
Texas.
I was good to go. Anyway, this is Daddy Jasko with the Blues. Glenn Peltier on camera. We knocked him out of the park today. Peace. Happy holidays.